Studies show 71% of AI tool users only access 15% of the tool's capabilities. You're leaving massive value on the table. Here's how to fix that. Most people type one sentence and expect magic. Effective AI use requires context, examples, and clear constraints. I'll show you the exact prompt structure that gets 10x better results. The first AI output is a draft, not a final product. The best results come from refining. Ask for improvements, challenge the AI's assumptions, and build on each response. People use ChatGPT for everything, but Claude is better for coding, Perplexity for research, Midjourney for images. Matching the right tool to the task is half the battle. Context, constraints, examples, iteration, the S.C.A.L.A framework. Apply it to any AI interaction, and your results will improve immediately. I'll demonstrate with 5 real examples. What's your biggest AI frustration? Comment below, and I'll address it in a future video. Subscribe for weekly AI tips that actually make you more productive.